Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic epidemiology from health education and community pharmacy. So first of all, let's discuss about the definition of epidemiology. The epidemiology is defined as the study of the distribution of a disease or a condition in a population. The following are the major uses of epidemiology: to analyze the respective role of agent, host, and environment in the development and natural history of disease, and second, to analyze the occurrence and distribution of disease according to characteristics such as age, sex, race, occupation, and heredity. So let's discuss in detail about the disinfection. So definition of disinfection. Disinfection is the process of application of a disinfectant for a sufficient length of time in adequate quantity so as to kill the specific organism of infectious diseases. It is usually referred to destruction of insects and animals capable of transmitting infection, especially arthropods or rodents. There are few disinfection procedures for few terms. So let's discuss about the disinfection procedures for various terms. In that, first one, feces. These are disinfected by mixing with the equal volume of the phenol solution 1:20 and the bleaching powder and stirred enough and allowed to stand for 2 hours. Second, B, that is the urine. It should be treated with the phenol solution 1:20 and allowed to stand for half an hour. Then third one, that is the sputum. In case of sputum, it should be received in gauze swabs or paper sputum cups and it is destroyed by the bumming. In tuberculosis hospital, it should be mixed with the phenol solution, that is 1:20, and allowed to stand for the 2 hours before disposal into a drain or placed in the sterilizing autoclave for 20 minutes. Then fourth one, that is a linen. The bedding or the body is to be disinfected by steam. The next E, that is the rooms. The rooms are to be disinfected by fumigation. Floors and wall surfaces may be sprayed with the coal tar disinfectants, that is 5%, or with the 2% solution of formalin. Then F, that is the dead bodies. The bodies of the persons who have died of infectious diseases, it should be wrapped in a powerful disinfectant. Cremation is very desirable and should be hastened. Then instrument. Clinical thermometer should be kept in a phenol solution 1:20. Formaldehyde gas is mainly used for disinfecting the surgical and other instruments. The learning outcomes from this epidemiology, the learning outcomes are: what is epidemiology? Then the uses of epidemiology. Then what is disinfection? And the disinfection procedure for various terms. So thank you all of you for watching this video.